Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the chat or contact profile. This is the first actionable step. Once the profile loads, scan the top right for the three-dot menu or the More button. That opens Account Actions. If the person isn't in your recent chats, use the search bar to find them, then tap their avatar. This establishes the correct target for blocking and avoids accidental blocks. Make sure you are using your main account and not a secondary logged-in profile before proceeding to menu options. Once you're in the profile menu, scroll to find Block or Add to Blacklist. Different WeChat versions label it slightly differently. Tap that option to initiate blocking. If additional prompts appear, read them. Blocking usually prevents messages, moments, and calls. After confirmation, WeChat may show a short notification indicating the contact is blocked. You can also manage this via Settings Privacy Blocked List. Navigate there to verify the contact is listed, and reverse the action if needed. Finish by verifying the block in Settings under Privacy and Blocked List. This confirms the action took effect. If you later change your mind, remove the contact from that list to restore communication. If the block didn't work, make sure WeChat is updated and restart the app or device. Occasional sync issues prevent immediate changes. If problems persist, clear app cache or reinstall while keeping backups. Make sure you know the account credentials before reinstalling so you don't lose access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.